Hello everybody of YouTube, hope everyone's well and having a fantastic day today. Right, today I'm going to be cooking some, I'll probably cook all of them to be fair, and I'll just have a sausage sandwich tomorrow. Cooking sausages, ultimate pork sausages. Yeah, I picked these up from M&S, they were quite expensive. They were £4.75 for 4 sausages. So, there's some ingredients there. I did look at some and then I looked at some others, but 90% I thought was pretty good for pork. So I'm going for an original tonight. I'm going to have some sausages, probably a couple of eggs, and yep, you guessed it, I've got some chips. I ain't had chips in, I can't remember the last time I had chips. It was probably a couple of weeks ago, I would have thought. I'm going to put these in the air fryer, 20 minutes, 200. They usually take about 18 minutes, 12 to 20 minutes at 200, down the bottom there, air fryer. That's nice and easy. I've got a couple of black puddings left, so I've got to use them up for tomorrow, so I'll probably have one today, one tomorrow. So I'm going to have one of them as well. I picked up some of this as well, a bit of thick cut tiger bloomer, fresh bread, lovely. Bit of butter in there, get them in there. So they say they're going to take about 22 minutes to cook them sausages. There you go. There's a pair of tongs. There we go. Oh yeah, smells lovely. Just toast it up a little bit. So thanks to everyone who's come to the channel, subscribed and watching, and yeah, I appreciate that. Thank you very much, and it's always good to get feedback as well. So if you want to message me at all, just fire away. I've got some mushy peas as well. Sausage, egg and chips, mushy peas. That sounds a bit better, doesn't it? Let's see how that's doing. That's doing alright. Right, I'm going to chuck a black pudding in there, I think. If I can get it out. Separate it. That went well then, didn't it? Nope. There we go. Bit of black pudding in there as well, just for good measure. Bit more butter. Oh, back to that again. Unbelievable. But yeah, that's all right. On the eggs. A little bit of black pepper. And about that much salt. Just about that. Get the mushy peas on. A little bit different, but colour in the yolks, they're lovely, eh? Told you, them M&S eggs, £1.30 a box. I can't think what they were at Tesco's, but they didn't look like that. Yep, I've definitely got crispy on the chips, forgot about them. Right, let's have a look, see what we're saying in there. Get out of the way from there. That's the colour on there. Just about to. I think we're about done. It looks good. That looks about right. The sausages. I'm only going to have a couple of them. Definitely on the crispy side. Do you know what? I've got some chips on there. And the sausages look lovely. Right. I think we're about there. Right. Couple of sausages. Bit of bread on there. Couple of eggs. Oh, look at that. Still a bit loose on that one. And my black pudding, well, black pudding's nearly gone as well. There's me bit of toasted bread on the side there. You can't see nothing, can you? I've done it again. Got to stop doing this. Why? There we go. Somewhere there. And the old mushy peas, I'm going to sling them in that pot in the middle. there we go. Dinner done. Another day. Right, so they are the ultimate pork sausages. Hand selected prime cuts of pork, perfectly seasoned. So no seasoning on them. That's me tiger bread. Bloomer. Yeah, sorry, tiger bloomer. Them are McCain chips. M&S black pudding. And a couple of free range eggs from M&S as well. How good's the egg? Oh, right on the edge. Right. Yeah. Is that in shot? Probably not. There you go. Dinner for another day. Just going to pop them in there for a minute, just in case there's any flying around. Bit of pepper on me mushy peas. What are these ones like? They're like completely different to the other ones. Yeah, I still like them. How's that sausage? What's that look like? Just dripped on my phone. Juicy. That's what that is. Cooked all the way through. Get it up there without dripping it everywhere. Yeah, that looks alright to me. Wow. Now that is what I call a sausage. Wow, that's got so much flavour in it. Have a bit of that. I've got some chef sauce there that I was going to use. Don't need that. The flavours, man. I'll call him man. Me man. The black pudding's missing the bacon that I didn't put around it. Because I didn't have any, because I used it the other day. But shopping tomorrow, so hopefully. What's that like in there? Bit of that. Oh, there you go. So, if you liked the video, give us a like. If you didn't, watch a different one. And I will see everyone tomorrow. Bye bye.